Your most blocked chakra is the solar plexus chakra. This energy center deals with power, confidence, and self-control. Since this chakra is blocked for you, you may often feel anxious or have poor discipline and follow-through. If this resonates, keep listening. It can create stomach and digestive issues within your body if it's blocked for too long. Unblocking this energy center will give you more confidence, inner harmony, and a sense of being in control of your life. The good news is you can unblock and activate this chakra right now. This energy center is blocked by shame, belittlement, and being manipulated by others using fear. Shame is the painful feeling of humiliation caused by the thought of having done something seemingly wrong or foolish, which are completely false and made up by your ego. First, let's shine a light on shame. Many situations that happened in the past stick with us. If we experienced shame, it can fester, robbing us of our power. Shame is a self-destructive energy that can be released by shining the light of awareness on it. You've probably grown and matured since the event happened, and seeing it with a new, mature mindset and without fear, allow it to loosen its power over you. Imagine a bright yellow orb of light shining in your abdomen region. Close your eyes if that helps. Imagine this light growing brighter and brighter. Feel a sense of power in your stomach. Feel into any feelings of shame or not being good enough. If an experience or if a person come to mind, allow this thought to grow with intensity. See this moment and know that it happened for a reason. It only happened to be a teacher for your growth. Say to yourself, I accept myself completely. I have no shame of the past, for the past is my teacher. By shining the light of awareness and gratitude on it, I am becoming stronger and stronger every day. Thank you for the experience I have been given, but this shame is no longer needed and it is free to go. I am grateful for what it has taught me and how it has helped me grow as a person. Feel it and fill it with light. Feel that love and the warm acceptance. This moment is perfect and you are perfect. Continue to unblock and energize this chakra by thinking about your physical environment. The place around you, your house, your room. Is it messy? Is it dirty? Do you have clothes everywhere? Do you need new clothes? Do your socks have holes in them? What aspect of your life can you change today? Think about this, write it down, and do it today. Doing these sorts of actions will empower you. You are in control of your environment. One of the main blockers of the sacral chakra is also anxiety. Anxiety is being in a state of uneasiness due to future uncertainties. With anxiety, you are creating something in your mind that doesn't actually physically exist. Do you see the disconnect? Your mind is bringing an imaginary future event into the present, and your body is getting ready to help you out. Since the imaginary future event never arrives, you simply remain in a perpetual state of stress. You can relieve this very easily by controlling your awareness through frequent meditation. This is why meditation and mindfulness relieve stress. You can stop your mind from imagining a future that might never exist and bring your awareness back to the present moment. Add a meditation practice to your day. Meditate every morning. This will ground your day in the present moment. 15 to 20 minutes is ideal. Another way we can unblock this chakra is to reprogram your mind. Have you ever been in a situation where you're about to get on stage or talk with someone and you suddenly get this nervous feeling, those butterflies in your stomach? In this moment, your body is releasing chemicals which are causing a fight or flight mentality. Now you can treat this reaction in one of two ways. You can let this nervousness turn into crippling fear, or you can recognize the reality of the situation. This is your body's way of naturally preparing you to do something courageous. This is a very powerful energy, and you can use it in your favor. You can turn nervousness into courage. Anytime you have this nervous feeling, say to yourself, "This is my body's way of preparing me to do something courageous." And without thinking, do it. Feel the empowering feelings that these sorts of exercises have evoked. Hold this powerful feeling in your being and let it energize your chakra. This is your solar plexus chakra activating. And this is just the beginning. The real fun comes when you unblock a chakra and you align it with the rest of your chakras to all work together. You may have other chakras that are partially blocked, so finding them is important. Once you unblock and activate, and then align your chakras to all work together, you can tap into unlimited energy, pure confidence, and live a passionate, joyful life. It's magical.